Here once again, another little quick snippet video. We're going to do this time we're going to talk about the transformation window, which is a great addition to the software, and I've used this a hell of a lot for quickly rotating things in specific increments, making sure I've got my stage in a specific central point before I start drawing anything, etc, etc. So I'll give you a quick overview here. If you select an object in this diagram here, I've got a cube, which is essentially going to be my stage. If I select this, and then if you go down to this little window here, you can see the transformation window. What you can do in here is position your element, whichever it is. It can be the lights, the person, the truss, and you can really fine-tune things here on the positioning. So if I wanted my stage to be absolutely central, I would select 0, 0, 0 in the XYZ axis, so we can get it right where we want it. Also, I want these to be all 0. So then we're starting right from, we know that things are the right way around, they're actually in the right spot, so then we can draw things accurately. And then we can actually scale things in here as well. So this is the size of 1 being the size that I've actually drew it. So you can actually then multiply it. So I'll show you there. So you can quickly double the size of the actual stage, or any other element that you've drawn. So we'll just take that back to 1, and or we could go in a different direction on the y-axis. So if I wanted to just quickly double the height of that stage, there we go, and then everything moves along with that as well. So we'll just take that back down to 1. Cool. And then what you do next is you can actually do the rotation. So this will increment automatically by clicking this little black square button here in 90-degree increments. So we could actually flip it 90 by 180 degrees. Sorry, 45-degree increments, not 90-degree increments. My mistake. So we'll click that back to 0. As you can see, you can actually type in as well if you want to really fine-tune those rotations for skew with pieces of set or truss or anything like that. The positioning, I'll just quickly show you this as well. We can actually move within your 3D space. Obviously, you can use the movement pivot tool here for moving things around, but if we actually wanted to, again, to fine-tune things, we can actually go into this window, and then, for example, if I know the exact measurement where I want to move something, I can quickly go, say I want to move this 100 to 100 centimeters off center, which you can really fine-tune and get into that there. So again, we can change it back to 0. We can type in any number within the 3D space right there. So I think that's pretty much it on the transformation window. So thanks, guys.